Wait, is that a roach in your room? Ew. Oh, is that another one? Good thing you're flexible, cuz. See? They're dead. Good thing you got that endurance so you can make sure they're dead. Oh no, you're trying to take off your shoes, but you're holding something with your hands, so just use your feet. Easy, duh. Oh no, your shoes untied and you don't want to bend down and show off your BBL that haven't healed yet? Well, just slide into a split and just tie your shoes that way. Oh no, you spilled some water on the floor and you don't want your mom to get mad, so what do? Oh wow, who would have guessed? You just slide into a split and become a mop yourself. Didn't they say your body's like a temple or something? Well, your body's also a mop, so come on, wipe it up. So you're trying to save a seat for your friend, if you have any. Oh, who said that? Just use your body. Just man spread on the seat. What if your legs are all tired from all that walking? To the fridge, big back. Just stand on your hands, handstand, stand on your hands, and now just walk. I mean, hey, if you can balance on your feet, you can balance on your hands, so come on, let's get to it. Turn off gravity and slide yourself up. Oh my gosh, it's in reverse. No, if you go up and then down, it's the same thing anyways, use your brain. You guys always want to be right, but you never want to be a right angle, like, huh? You know what they say. Ow, my toe, sis. Oh, I don't have time to stretch. Girl, you're so big that you need all 4 of your limbs just to walk. Come on, stretch. Oh, I don't have time to stretch. But you have time for a snack? This handstand is perfect for you because you can use one hand to hold yourself up and the other hand to hold your chips. Oh, I'll stretch tomorrow. Girl, it's the first of the month of July. Over half of my audience are women. You really gonna let a man be more flexible than you? You say you wanted to have good posture this year. Why do you look like this? Oh, I stretch every day but I'm still not flexible. Do you? Do you really? Instead of putting all those snacks on your table, put yourself on it instead. Why is this guy talking so much? Well, why aren't you flexible yet? It's already July. Wake up. It's the first of the month. You said you always wanted your middle splits, but you're always in the middle of an excuse? Are you in your middle splits, or are you in the middle of a snack? Oh, you don't want to stretch today? It's your rest day? Didn't you rest your whole life? This is live footage of you going to your DoorDash order. Oh my gosh, you must be naturally flexible. No, you weren't naturally that big back, but we both worked for it. You can't touch your toes, but you can touch the DoorDash app. You want to learn how to hold a handstand, but you can't stop holding them snacks. Oh my gosh, can you suck your own? Can you see your own toes in the shower? I know you probably don't run with your 2 legs, so just run with all 4 of your limbs. When you get more flexible, you can just slide up like this. Cause I know when you smell that food, you be running. Put one leg behind your head. Why? Because you gotta put all those excuses behind you and start stretching. Let's go. You guys always want to force your splits, but you never want to force yourself a diet. This is me trying to find the last time you tried to stretch, and it's really hard to find right now. It takes me man spreading to cover up this whole bench, but it just takes you sitting down. Oh, but today's a cheat day. Cheat day? Didn't you cheat your whole life? Thank you, Fine Fitness, for this quote. You love watching people do back handsprings, but you never want to back up those claims on stretching today. You guys always be like, oh, how do you hold a handstand? But you never ask, how do I hold myself accountable for stretching today, huh? You always want to learn a walkover, but you never want to walk to the gym. You always want to learn how to slide in the splits, but you never want to slide off that junk food. Like, what? Oh, so you want to learn how to do a back bend now, but you don't want to back off all those excuses you have? Oh, but I don't have time to stretch today. Oh, but you had time to drive to Chick-fil-A and order a meal with 10 extra sauces on the side? Alright, I need you to do what I'm doing right now. Twist your body to the side like this. Oh, wait, you can't? Your rolls are in the way?